first, by the way. That's Pokemon cards and all that. Like these. The stuff on the seat's mine, though, and also on the floor. Speaking of, I also just cleaned this car mat. I haven't vacuumed yet. If I clean this car mat, which did take some time. I haven't cleaned this one yet, though, but I'll probably do another video. This one obviously needs to be cleaned pretty badly, but it's also dirtier to begin with. I also got this, too, from Walmart, so. And I think for how much they paid, it holds up pretty well since it's been on here for like a month or so. So, yeah.